Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common.
Hello, Thomas.
1 2 1 2. Hello.
The edge is our playground.
How are you?
Very good. How are
With
you?
a constant strive
I'm
for
okay.
glory,
Good.
seeking for a new tomorrow.
Good morning, good morning.
Hello.
Do you feel
Hello,
special?
Mike.
Hey,
Take back control of your investments.
I turn off my music here. You can probably hear my jazz in the background.
Oh, we like a bit of jazz.
There we go.
Wagwan Thomas, you good?
Hey, Taz. Long time no seen, brother.
I know, I've been busy. Admin of one group of 3,000 people, moderator over another with 12,000 people, but no time.
You moderated 4,000 people.
Yep,
Where?
on the crypto space.
Ah, you
Part
into
of
crypto.
Yeah, I'm fully in it now. That's why I've taken a break from the trading. I was doing a lot on that side, and I've got a couple of jobs online now, so
Ooh.
fully in.
So, did you quit your day job?
Yep.
Wow, congratulations. It's impressive.
Thank you very much. Mostly down to you and the trading has been now able to invest into crypto and move forward in that as well.
Sorry, brother. GBP Japanese yen just got closed out. And I'm curious if the Bank of Japan is going to intervene anytime soon.
If they're gonna do it, they're gonna surprise us.
I'm entering into a short on GJ. Obviously, stop loss is just above the previous high. Yeah, it's 50-50. It's really uncertain, but now price has come to the Widowmaker level, which you all know what it is. So that was the intervention level. The Widowmaker level is the intervention level where Bank of Japan obviously intervened in the market. And so many people got burned. So many. So the speculation goes both ways. People can speculate on further weakening of the Japanese yen. Obviously, with all the carry trades unwinding, the Japanese yen gets weaker and weaker, despite the interest rates are going up in Japan. So the Bank of Japan is expected to step in, but no one knows when.
They do it kind of gradually over time, don't they? They try to do it in an unnoticeable way and then announce it a month later. At least that's what I read this last time.
Well, it was pretty noticeable because, for example, if you look at here, this was a big intervention. Then price came back up again, intervened again. And we see pullbacks, quite aggressive pullbacks, which could be intervention, but this is definitely back in 2022, November, and then 2023, March, and then 2023, November, And then yeah, the April levels, it's getting smaller and smaller, but exciting.
So is that intervention where is it essentially quantitative tightening where they're taking yen out of the money supply?
It's intervention. For example, when the government sells, large amounts of dollars to buy up Japanese yen to support the currency. It could be with, sterling as well. Because the Japanese yen got so weak, now it's an insult for many. Especially there was a change, new blood coming to Bank of Japan. Obviously, Kuroda resigned. Well, he retired. His term is finished, so he retired. And Kuroda was one of the advocates of Shinzo Abe's ultra-loose monetary policy. Obviously, he was a prime minister, but Mr. Kuroda supported fully with the monetary policy, ultra-loose monetary policy, because this was one of the three pillars, or three arrows as they call it in Japan. So they wanted to boost trade, they wanted to boost so many things, the economy, with ultra-loose monetary policy. So Mr. Kuroda was an advocate of this, obviously for 2 decades, ultra-loose monetary policy. And then Shinzo Abe obviously was assassinated 2 years ago. Yeah, I think he was stabbed or shot. And then Mr. Kuroda obviously didn't immediately step in respect to Shinzo Abe. And then he retired, or his term finished, and Mr. Uoda came in to the picture. And many of the governors, like Suzuki, they are very hardliners, and they don't like the weak Japanese yen. So obviously they started lifting up the rates. And there is a good chart on Koifin where you can see this. If you go to Marcus dashboard, global yields, you can see how went from ultra low, and this is the highest interest rate for, I think it's about 10 years, even higher. Gold is reached.
Zoom can't see that.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, here it is. You can see it was ultra-loose, negative rates, and they started lifting up, which is currently at 0.3%. You done with gold for today? No, I was just about to talk about gold. So this morning price was at 2300, and I forecasted that it will reach 2315. I didn't trade it. Unfortunately, there would have been a nice 150 pips. And now it reached the resistance level, which I marked in a chart, but I think it will come a little bit higher. So for me, this is a no trade. It's very uncertain. And looking at the live trades, I have very low risk on UJ. So if both hit stop loss, I lose 1,200. GBP Japanese yen, 300 pounds, but obviously the risk reward ratio, if the Bank of Japan steps in, then it could be way higher, the profit potential. And nothing on gold, as you can see. So GJ shorting, that's already in minus 3 pips. Yeah, so curious what the Bank of Japan is going to do.
How are you feeling about the upcoming jobless claims?
Oh yeah, talk about the jobless claims, because we have 30 minutes and we need to do some analysis. Thank you for bringing it up. So let's start the day by looking for opportunities. We haven't had morning briefing today because many people are on holiday. Market sentiment is still very mixed. It's the end of the month, so be careful. And again, speculation is going around whether the Fed is going to cut interest rate, when they're going to cut interest rate. We are balls deep into summer trading session or summer trading season, which usually it's bad. It's very bad because the kind of order flow, it's not good. So far, the last 2 days have been absolutely amazing, or last 3 days. And today we have continuing jobless claims expected to drop, which is inflationary. The initial jobless claims, on the other hand, is same. Slight decrease, so it's inflationary. That is going to be bearish for gold. But I'm not entering yet into any sells. And also we have the GDP Q1, third revision, the last revision. And then obviously next month we're going to have the new GDP for Q2. Is expected to drop. So the forecast is significantly lower. Let's have a look on the previous numbers. Yes, every single time. So they started with 3.4, forecast 2.5, obviously significantly lower, 1.6, 1.3, and now it looks like that the third one, they're forecasting no change compared to the previous one. The previous revision, not the previous GDP number. So if it's aligned with the forecast 1.3 or lower, then it's going to be bullish for gold. Significantly bullish.
So we have one, if the unemployment claims come in as expected, that would be bearish for gold, but GDP might be bullish for gold, so maybe some mixed data.
Yeah, of course it's going to be mixed. It's going to be so mixed that no one knows what to do. Always. I mean, if you have a look on how many data we have, also PC prices, durable goods orders, and yeah, a lot of data. But out of these, I think the jobless claims are the most important. Durable goods orders, with GDP, so comparing these two, combining these two is going to be important. So drawing up the game plan. Now let's start with initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims. So in general, if the jobless claims comes out, no, come on. Who knows what should happen? What should be jobless claims for gold to drop? Higher or lower?
Lower.
Lower.
Very good. Why is it? Can you explain?
Because fewer people are going unemployed. That would be bullish for the dollar. Strong economic signal. Probably signaling interest rates will stay higher for longer.
Today is bearish for gold. And US GDP lower. That's going to be bullish for gold, right?
Yep.
US GDP higher. Yes. This is the game plan for today. Let me just share it to... Okay.
I entered a buy at 2007 and thinking it's about time to take the profit.
Before the data? Yeah, it's wise. And look at GJ. It's running in some nice profit. UJ, yeah, I think the intervention could come, or maybe investors spook, because usually we don't know when the Bank of Japan is going to intervene, so it could be just the effect of fear that scares the market and everyone just pulls it out. I mean the position, not the ding dong. So I'm going to leave UJ, GJ and gold, even though I don't have any open positions on gold, and I'm not planning to enter into any position on gold yet. Properties. Scale effects. Oh, GJ's. I'm gonna add another short with tighter stop loss, risking £200. Something just tells me that it's setting up for a big, nice big drop. Quonsot. Or maybe it was a mistake to enter into another sell, who knows. But you gotta risk it to get the biscuit. Gold is pumping higher and higher. And now we just wait. I'm so glad I didn't enter into short on gold.
That is, the waiting is the hardest part, according to Tom Petty.
Yep. If you trade every trick, you trade like a dick.
Missing Kai today. He must be on holiday.
Or hangover.
Right, of course. It's Thursday. Of course, why not?
Well, it's Thursday, it's the new Friday.
Yeah. How are you
How are
handling heat and humidity, Adrian?
I'm great. It's Pride Month, so I'm celebrating.
I don't know if you're talking, but you're on mute.
Hello?
There you go.
Hello.
Hey.
It's very hot there and humid.
Yes, last week we have a complete strange humidity, but now the weather is completely fine. We have 45 degrees and it's very dry. It's okay.
Wow.
It's okay. Nothing for a marathon, but
It's 45 degrees does not sound pleasant.
yeah, it's just
What? 45?
45, yes. But it's
Mate.
a very, very dry heat. It's very
You
dry.
put the pan on the sun and you can cook an egg.
Yes.
Crazy.
Or the hood from your car is also possible.
So what do you do in this heat?
We fly back to Germany for 7 weeks now. On the 8th of July, visit friends and family and travel around Europe. That's
Nice.
That's the game plan.
I'm
Very
going
nice.
on Sunday.
Barcelona.
On Sunday?
Barcelona, yeah. Going
One of
to,
the best cities in Europe.
yeah, gonna spend some time in Barcelona, but then we're renting a house on the beach for a while too. So that will be nice.
Mm,
Yeah.
Nice. Yes.
But I'm not going to
Well,
stop trading. I'm still going to be trading.
No, don't stop trading.
Hmm.
Gold stopped me out and now dropping for 20 pips. 30 pips, motherfucker.
I'm waiting for GJ and UJ to drop. He's in
I
a fair.
jump in UJ as well. I jump in UJ as well with you. I feel the trade. But no. More profit. $11.
We win together, we lose together.
Of course, brother. Maybe another sell on gold?
Not for me.
Nah,
I'm
for
still
me,
holding my
guys.
buy.
Waiting for the news, waiting for New York Stock Exchange open.
How are you, Thomas? Good morning. How are you? How's Alpha
Hey,
Junior?
David. Yeah, all good. Healthy, growing, talking. All good, thank you so much. Now it's Thursday.
glad-
Weekend is starting. Yeah, excited.
Glad to hear that. Glad to hear that.
You know, life is good. Less work during the summer season. Trading is not very liquid. And you know, in Europe, everyone just take it easy during the summer.
That's good. What a great day yesterday.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Szia Gábor. Szia. Mindjárt kimegyek, jó? Most jössz? Oké. Jó, oké, megyek. Szia. Jó, jó, jó.
This is dicey. I don't feel comfortable putting in a buy stop below 23.5, but I'm also hesitant to do that because we've taken such a run up that even positive news for gold still might not drive. I don't know.
Did I miss anything?
No.
Scheiße. If you look at the gold chart, guess where gold price returned just now? It was this ugly consolidation. It was the Monday open. Yeah, Monday open. Exactly where it is now.
Yeah, I was just saying that, you know, I want to put in a buy stop, maybe around 23.50, but I don't know. Doesn't look that clear to me given how much we've already come up.
Tricky. Tricky. It looks good for a short. I'm very tempted to short gold, but luckily I was able to not do. We have 30 minutes until the news.
Yeah.
The game plan has been set out for you guys. Theoretically, this is how gold should react to the news. Who's selling gold? Who's buying gold?
I just took profit off my buy, doing nothing now.
What are you going to do with that profit? Maybe you should enter into a sell. Double lots, no stop loss.
It's the end of the month. I have to start thinking about my holiday in Europe and making sure I have the money for that.
Very wise. Aperol Spritz and Sangria is very expensive on La Rambla.
Yes.
But the gin and tonic at the Barceloneta are very cheap and very strong and very good.
Yes, that's true.
Yes, €10 full cent. Yes.
It's bloody expensive.
Sorry?
It's bloody expensive. For 1 cent.
For...
Is it like a liter or like a bottle?
This is a big glass. You don't know the gin and tonic glasses from Spain? It's like cups.
Yeah, like big
bowls.
Ah, yeah, I know those glasses, but what is the quantity?
Half a liter.
Half a liter. With how many shots?
This is 10 cl. This is 5 shots. They put in 5 shots. 10 cl. 5 shots.
10 centiliters is 1 deciliter, isn't it?
Yes.
So it's like 5 very small shots. Like because in Europe it's that's
good.
For Barcelona, yeah, but otherwise it's expensive, I would say. €10 for 2 shots and some tonic.
Indeed.
It is expensive. You guys getting robbed. You're scammed.
Even worse when the Brits pass out on the beach and then don't even remember it.
Yeah. Oh.
But when you're drunk at the Rambla, then you get really robbed, my friend.
Yeah.
Then you have serious problems.
Yeah.
When we went to Barcelona, that's why I proposed my my wife. And La Rambla was literally, we were walking for 10 minutes and I was like, we need to get out of here. It was just too busy, too many pickpockets, you know, with the Ita Pirosh Pirosh, like the game where you have the free matchboxes and you have to find a ball.
The gambling.
Yeah.
I remember in the 80s, there was not a single tourist on the Ramblas. If you walked down the Ramblas and you heard a foreign language being spoken, you turned your head because it was so rare.
Really?
And and now it's obviously the busiest tourist street in the city.
Yeah. We went to far away from La Rambla and found so many nice restaurants.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a wonderful city away from the tourist areas.
Yes. But the worst one is really the Raval quarter. You know the Raval quarter? This is crazy.
Of course. Yeah.
Only hookers and drug addicts. Is
Can you,
crazy.
where is that? Sorry, what's the address?
If you're walking
Yeah,
down the
Raval.
Ramblas, it's on the right side. The whole neighborhood on the right side of the Ramblas. If you're walking from the top toward the water.
I'll send you
no.
the DM, Tomasz.
Yeah.
You can visit this place. You can visit
Yeah.
this place. For your
Just you know, research.
exploring.
Yeah.
Bro, when I'm telling you, this is approved. Trust me.
Volume is coming to the market, guys. 8 minutes until the data.
Sell off.
GJ isn't behaving very nicely. It's running in -3, -6 pips. Am I going
Hello,
to adjust this
Pete.
to plus? Hey, Kai.
How we doing? Sorry for the late appearance. How we doing?
Rough night.
At least you meet.
Lots
What
of
were
trades
you?
going since the signals, hey?
We were
How are the
speculating
signals?
that you were probably hungover.
Pardon?
We were speculating that you were probably hungover, and that's why you weren't here.
He
Nah, I
lives
was just
sober. He lives
I was just
sober
caught-
now.
Yeah. Nah. I was just busy doing some other things and jobs and stuff, you know.
What?
Oh, I hate that word. Job and work. It's
What is
disgusting.
it?
Mate,
Jobs.
I haven't worked for. I left corporate world, corporate banking or banking and finance. Almost
No,
four
not job
years
jobs.
now.
I mean like house chores jobs, like stuff, you know, errands and stuff like this.
Ah, okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
you
like-
have to do it. Yeah,
Chores.
good boy,
Yeah.
good boy, good man. But work? Oh god, that's. Ugh.
No. That's why we're here, huh?
Yeah. How are the signals, Kai?
You already know how the signals are.
They're fucking brilliant. I love them.
They're fucking amazing.
The only thing is, oh my god, because I'm using all my computers are Macintosh and Apple. Apple, sorry, Apple, not Macintosh. And they're not supporting the Signal Center on MetaTrader 5 on Apple, so I have to buy a Windows laptop.
Hmm.
Leppy.
Is that why? Is that why you asked the question to the group? What do you use, Windows or Apple?
Yep.
Yeah.
You know, because when I was in Cyprus, visited Andrei.
Yeah.
He texted me he knows a good place to eat, so like, okay, I jumped on the plane, and you know, a few hours later we got absolutely hammered in Port of Cyprus. Crazy night. And then he was showing. I knew that they doing, you know, signals, but they partnered up with Equity. And when he showed me this, you know, this visual built-in indicator thing, I was like, wow, that is very impressive. So the look was very good, but I'm always very not curious, but also cautious with the new things. Like so many people in the groups try to promote robots and EAs, and bad experience in most of them. So I don't allow any kind of promotion unless I tried and tested it and if it's really working. So he started showing me. I was like, okay, place a trade. We started trading. I was like, good. It's about 70%, 80% win rate, but the confidence level which gives a uniqueness to this signal center, because they high the confidence, and usually high confidence trades about 70 to 80%. The low confidence levels, I would say 50%. So you have to be very selective, even within the signal center, that what trades you choose.
So how long were you using it before you introduced it to the community?
4 weeks. 4 weeks.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I always testing it for if I promote something, I test it for a month.
Yeah.
Or you could buy crossover app and install the Windows version of MT5. What's the crossover app, Sarvar? Parallels. Yeah, give me a solution, because I want those signals. We have 4 minutes left, guys. Goldie short, Goldie long. Give me a signal.
Have a look at the data. It's the final reading today, isn't it, for the GDP?
For Q1, first quarter, yeah, it's the final reading.
Yeah.
And Das final. Coming up in 2 minutes. Shorting GJ and UJ. Speculating on Bank of Japan intervention, but this is very high risk, so I don't recommend anyone. So this is why I have, like, small contract sizes. Not too sure about gold. I really want to enter into a sell. And you know what? I'm going to place a sell.
Living on the edge.
1.5 lot. This is ahead of the data. But I think because they under forecasting the jobless claims, I think it's going to be slightly the opposite, maybe, or not. Who knows? Anyway, entered into gold sell. And we have less than 2 minutes. All right. 1 minute, 10 seconds. GJ looks like I'm going to lose those positions because Bank of Japan just doesn't want to intervene yet. One minute left. And let's see. Data is coming out. Today we have US GDP, final revision for Q1. Also we have jobless claims, which is one of the most important data sets today, and durable goods orders. 30 seconds to go. This is the game plan. If jobless claims comes out higher, gold will pump. If lower, gold will drop. Again, GDP higher, gold drop. GDP lower, gold pump. And we have 18 seconds to go. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What's the data? What's the data? What's the data? Shout it out. Shout it out.
We're going up.
Jobless claims up. Initial jobless jobless claims is lower.
Yep.
And the continuing is significantly higher. So it's good. Good. So fucking so many data. Continuing jobless claims.
GDP 1.4.
Initial jobless claims. It's mixed again. Why the fuck?
Both directions
GDP
there.
It is
GDP
mixed, right?
GDP came out slightly higher than the forecast, but I think it's insignificant. So
It's a normal Thursday. Mixed data like
oh,
always.
Because it's much lower than previous, so
yeah, it is. But the forecast for the last one was also lower.
uh,
Nah, closing down gold. It's closing down. It's mixed data and it's already pumping.
It really spiked both directions there on the 1 minute. I hate it when it does that.
Durable goods order negative. Prices have increased though. Core PC prices for Q1 significantly. Again, that's a revision as well. So, typical Thursday, as said by Adrian, mixed data. Irvan Santoso, how much leverage using? 500. Just so amazing, so weird market today. I think everyone is looking at the data now, scratching their heads. It's like, okay, is it buy or sell now?
Yeah. I mean, the jobless claims weren't significantly lower than projected.
The initial.
The initial, yeah.
But if you look at the continuing jobless claims, now that is a significant increase.
exactly. My bias is sell dollar, buy stocks, so buy gold.
Go away. I'm 50 pips in profit, cumulative.
Ooh.
Very nice. £50, sorry. £20. GJ, don't do it, don't do it.
On gold, we're at that strong support, resistance level. You know, that ascending sort of flag on the 4 hour.
On
It's gonna struggle to get past that.
is the Monday opening price. If you look at the chart now, price returned to the Monday opening price, and it is struggling to break it through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything is struggling right now. I'm gonna add one more sell on gold.
This is the summer trading market where it just doesn't have enough volume to break through some key levels.
Yeah, it has volume, but well, less volume, and the volume it has, it's just shit. This was one of the things that we discussed with Forex in Cyprus. That and by the way, closing down GJ now. It's just not looking good. So GJ is closed. That we discussed about the order flows, because obviously I'm promoting Forex, but it's not the usual affiliate type of thing, because I don't make as much as I could make on you guys, so I was able to negotiate, better deals. So if you look at the spreads, I guarantee that no one is going to give you these kind of spreads if you sign up through affiliate links. Plus, many other things. This is why Forex doesn't have that many slippage and that many, dirty moves.
No U.S. traders, though, right?
No, unfortunately, they not accept. They can't accept.
Yeah.
Brad the lad. Sorry guys, can't make today. Just finished an interview with desk head at HSBC London. So make the money, take the money. Oh, Brad is moving into some desk trading.
No way, really?
It looks like.
What a guy.
What is GU doing? GU is pumping. GJ.
Yeah, I'm buying GU. I'm in GU.
That's why it's pumping. I see now.
Oh.
I am deep. Minus 17 pips. Outrageous. Down 300 pounds. 250. I gotta close the shop if it, doesn't improve. All this data, and the market just doesn't want to move.
Just leaving us where we started. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I was showing you trading view. Do you trade Asian and London session also? I don't trade the Asian. I have open positions during London, but I don't. Yeah, I trade the London Open usually before the London Open. What I do is get up at 5, 6 a.m., have a look in the market, do the analysis, do the morning briefing, which is a live trading session, talk about market sentiment, talk about, what do we talk about, Mike? Market sentiment, fundamentals, macroeconomics, technicals, goals.
Just setting up for the day, really.
Yeah. It's a warm-up, yeah. Showing, what's ahead. Discussing trading ideas, strategies, and then at 9 o'clock, 9 a.m., I just set the trades, if I place any, and then just walk away. Do my, be with family, go to the gym, anything just not trading. And then come back in the afternoon, around 2 p.m., have a look in the positions, and yeah, trade some more. 2-3 hours a day, more than enough. At least Pan and Angelo is selling as well.
The DXY is tanking.
No good.
Oh yeah. Thank you very much.
Treasury yields are tanking. DXY is tanking. So it's time to close gold. No, it's just not going to go lower. So now officially closing down the gold positions. UJ, on the other hand, just doesn't want to move despite the dollar weakness, even though, I'm talking rubbish.
Penn is buying Nasdaq.
Oh,
The Nasdaq. It's
Gas
crazy.
pack.
Sorry?
Nasdaq is the new gas pack. Gives
Yes.
gives you all the money.
It's crazy. We give it a try, huh?
yeah.
Oh,
Bar
my
up.
sell limit is triggered
On what?
on gold.
Oh, you cheeky. You should have told me.
I have a sell limit at 23, 24. There's a breakup block with a lot of volume. Scalping the shit. Hopefully.
I like it.
Let's see.
Yep, it triggered my buy as well at 23.50.
You're in buys now, Mike. Yeah.
I'm out.
Yeah,
20
no.
pips, I'm out. Perfect.
Very nice.
Nice.
Camera just died.
Very good. Okay, I call it a day, guys. I'm waiting for New York Stock Exchange open now.
Have a good one, brother.
All right.
Nice to see your ugly faces.
Get off.
See you
You
later.
cunt.
Love you, boys.
Thomas, you come and
See you. It's not anymore.
He likes to flirt with you guys.
Hello, Don.
Hey.
Bye,
How you
Adrian.
doing?
Goodbye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Sell. Oh, mixed data, summer trading. Definitely New York Open is going to bring some volatility. It's still 45 minutes away, but I'm going to start my weekend now. And I wish you a good trading day, guys. Continue watching the charts, make loads of money, and make me proud.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thanks,
Sure.
Thomas.
Have a good weekend.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Tomorrow, good luck with PC.
Sell. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, pretty much the last trading day of the week. Tomorrow is the end of the month. Yeah, this weekend, end of the month. And I wish everyone a relaxing weekend. If you'd like to join the Alpha community to get daily signals analysis and be around, with professional and traders and nice people to trade in group, not alone, link below the video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. This is the Alpha Effect.